Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. Students, we are in unit 4, that is multimedia presentation, and this is the second lesson of this unit, in which we will see that how we can make or how we can create a blank presentation. Further, we will see that how we can make a presentation by using the design template, and finally we will see that what kind of content or what kind of items can be added in a multimedia presentation. So first of all, create a presentation using blank slides. Presentation can be created in different ways. The simple method is to create a blank presentation, and the other method is to create presentation using design templates. These are the two methods that we normally use to produce or to create a multimedia presentation in PowerPoint. So first of all, we'll see the blank presentation, that how we can create it. For this reason, we have to click on the start button on our desktop. Click on all programs option from the start menu. Then we have to find Microsoft PowerPoint. Let me tell you that before this you must have installed Microsoft Office in your computers or laptops. So once you have found the Microsoft PowerPoint from the start menu, on the you have to click on the PowerPoint. It will open, and then you have to click the new option from the standard toolbar, and as a result this window will appear that you can see here on the right side of the screen. In this window you can see the very first one is a blank presentation. So you have to select a blank presentation from the task pane. Once you have selected it, and you double click on it, so it means that you have created a blank presentation. After the slides, we'll do it practically, so you will better understand it over there. Second method for creating a presentation, that is by using the design templates. To start a presentation using a design template, click on the design tab. There we will find several design themes, templates which are already given in the PowerPoint, and its different variants are also given. So we can easily select those templates or themes from the list of themes which is shown here under the design tab. So you can select any theme of your choice, and further its different variants can also be applied. So that is very easy to create a presentation by using the design template. And the last thing that we will see in today's lesson, that is the contents for presentation, that how many types of contents can be added in our presentation. Microsoft PowerPoint allows user to create presentation. User can add variety of contents, like user can add text, or he can also apply different formattings to the text. He can add different graphics or graphical images, and further images, sounds can also be added, audio sounds, and furthermore video can also be added in a PowerPoint presentation. So we will see practically that how we can add these different items, these different types of contents in our presentation. The information can be obtained from various sources like internet, magazines, books, etc. So it's up to you that whatever the presentation that you are creating related to any topic, you can get the related information from any source. So it's your choice whether you are searching for the information on the internet, or you are consulting any book or magazine. So you can get information from different sources to include it inside your presentation. So in the coming slide I'll be demonstrating these three things practically in Microsoft PowerPoint, that how you can create a blank presentation, how you can create a presentation by using the design template, and how we can add these different types of contents in our presentation. So don't forget to watch that video. Okay, students, now we will do the practical. First we have to click on the start menu, then click all apps, means all applications. Then it's a scroll up and scroll down menu. You have to scroll up. Here you can find Microsoft Office 2016 that I have installed in my laptop. You can click on it, and then these are the tools. You have to search for the PowerPoint 2016 as given here under the P, elements which are starting from P, or the applications which are starting from P. So here we have found PowerPoint 2016. I have to click on it. So it is opened. Now in the very first screen it shows multiple options to me, but as we are demonstrating to create a PowerPoint presentation by using the blank slide, so I have to select the blank presentation. So I've clicked on it and a blank presentation is created. Now here in this blank presentation I can add different elements, different items, different types of information according to my requirement. So I can arrange the text boxes given in this presentation according to my requirement. Okay, like this, and here I'll just type the heading of the presentation, and here we'll write the descriptive text related to the heading. Further, it is also demonstrated that how you can create further new slides. That's very easy. You can just click on the new slide and further new slides are going to be added in the same manner. This is how you can create a blank presentation. Now the second thing that we discussed, that how to create a PowerPoint presentation by using the design template. So that's very easy. You can just go to the design tab, and here you will find different themes. You can select any of it. When you click on this drop down menu, and all the available themes are displayed over here. You can just scroll up and scroll down. You can select any theme from the available ones, and that will be applied to your presentation. Like here, whatever the theme that I am placing the cursor on, it shows the preview in the background. So let's say I am going for this one. So when I click on it, it is applied to all the slides in my presentation. Although in the beginning I have created a blank presentation, but later on, as I have decided to apply a theme or a design template, so that will be applied to my presentation. From here, from the variants options, you can select any variant of your selected theme or design. Different variants are given. This one that I've already applied, you can apply this one, blue, and then the red one. So for almost every theme and every design, different variants are given on the other side. Let's say if I'm selecting this one, so for this different variants are given with the blue, pink, and even green. So this is how you can apply different themes or designs to your presentation. And another way of doing the same thing is to just click on the file menu, then click on the new, and the same window will appear which was appear in the beginning. So from here you can select different themes which are given over here, and different designs can be selected. Like for example, if I go for this one, see, I have selected a theme and it shows different variants of it. So I can select any variant according to my choice. Let's say I'm going for this one, and then I will click on create, and as a result you will see that a new presentation is created by using a design template. So in both ways you can apply different designs or themes to your presentation. It's very easy, whether you are applying designs from the design tab or themes from the design tab and its variants, or whether you are going through the file menu and then click on the new and select any of the given designs or themes here. So you can select it easily, and the variant can also be selected, and then just click on the create button and it will be applied to your presentation. Okay, so again, for making it easy, we'll just go towards the blank slide here. Now you'll see that what kind of content we can add in our presentation. So different types of contents can be added. One thing I tell you, that if you want to delete any of the text box, you have to select it by clicking on any border of it, whether the upper border, lower or side borders, and just press the delete button from your keyboard. So this is how you can delete it. Okay, so for adding text, you can also change the alignment of the text inside the text box, and you can also apply different formattings. For text, you can just use keyboard to type text inside the text box, or you can just copy and paste the text from any other file. So that is very easy. Let's say I am adding some text. For text, it's very easy, just type from the keyboard or copy paste from any other file. Further, you can also add images in your presentation. That is also very easy. For that reason, you can do it in several ways. If you are selecting this layout, so it will be applied accordingly. Here you can add text. Further, you can add all these items. Like here, if I click on this option which says pictures, it means that I want to add a picture over here. So the browser window will appear. Here you will browse the required image that you want to insert in your presentation. Like for example, I want to add this image, so I have double clicked on it and it is added in my presentation. And another way of adding picture in your presentation is just by copy and paste option. So let's say I want this text to remain here, and also I want to add an image on the other side of the slide, on the left side of the slide, and that is very easy. You can do it very easily. See, minimize it, open. Okay, here it's an image. I'll just Ctrl C for copy, and then move to the slide and right click and then paste, or you can just press Ctrl plus V for paste. So you can just add the image like this. You can also resize the image. You can also add an animated image, which is a GIF format image in your presentation. Okay. Another thing that I've told you, that you can also add video in your presentation. See, I'm going to add a video in my presentation, that is subscribe and bell icon edited video. Ctrl C and simply go to the presentation and right click and then paste. Now you can also or press Ctrl plus V. You can resize the window of the video easily. You can also add the video on the other slide. Like for example, if I want to add this video on the other side, I'll just create a new slide here and select the video, Ctrl X. I removed it from there, and you can easily add it inside the text box. You can also add the video, but we don't need it. Just Ctrl V and the video is added. Remember one thing, that whenever you add a video and you select that video, there is a tab which appears automatically in the PowerPoint that is called playback. In playback, video related options are given. It says that start on click, that whenever you start the slideshow, whether you want to start the video by clicking or you want it to start automatically. So normally we select automatically, because whenever we reach the slide, the video should play automatically, whether you want to play it in full screen or as it is inside the slide. Here volume related options are also given, so volume is high. You can also mute it. You can also preview by just playing it. See, the video is played. So this is how you can add a video, an image and animated images in your presentation. Or you can also add text in your presentation. So different types of contents can be added in your presentation. Okay students, that's it for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.